So I asked Rabbi Reuven before, and he told me, I asked him how much Gemara should I learn, right? And he told me either a third or half of my studies, right? So I was wondering, for me, I learn, well, I want to learn a lot of halakha. So I wanted to know, how could I balance it out to still either keep that amount of Gemara, or should I go a little bit less Gemara and do more halakha?
Halakha is in this case, in this stage, is more critical. You understand? Because every day, like if you have this book, so some people have books, and I remember long time ago, there's this guy asked me a question, and I said, and I told him, I couldn't give him an answer. There's no problem for me to give him an answer. I knew the answer. But I went specifically, I have the same book, and say it's exactly in this book that we got for you on page 175, let's say, right? Okay, I think, yeah, if you read it, let me know if any questions. So like, and then he asked me the same question. I say, but did you see? No, I was busy. Like, what do you mean you were busy? Like, I gave you the book, I gave you the page, and we even paid for your book. Like, you normal? So you understand? So these people would be like punished severely for not learning. So you had the book, you have an opportunity, you did not do it, you're responsible. So in our case, so maybe a little less Gemara, a little less, whatever. But on another hand, halacha you cannot do more, like too much, because your head is going to spin. So too much information, like in Gemara, it's like give and take, and you're not obligated to memorize all of the things and stuff like that, and you can follow. And sometimes there is a story, a nice commentary, and a nice hidush. But this halacha, it's to the point. It's only so much that you can take. So even if you want to do it a lot, so I don't think that you would be able to do too much.
Understood.